every time I go out, this same dog, you know, it's a small dog, chases me. It's not like barking, you know. Really want to bite me, man. Okay, one day, okay lah, I always get to avoid the dog, and I purposely want to go that way, so I can kaca-kaca the dog. And one day, I was going out, I went out, and the dog chased me, you know. Like, okay lah, stop semua. And pusing go. I bully him, and then on the way back, okay lah, no dog. And then near my house, I was opening the gate, it came out of the bush. Oh my god, I thought this was it lah, it's gonna catch me. It's a small dog.
How you can see kaca-kaca? You got chased by the wild dogs. Oh my god.
Oh no, this is a small dog. It's on a motorbike, and every time I overtake it, and every time I'm too far away, oh yeah, because I stopped to open the gate with the car, my motor died. So I was like scared. But I got distracted. I was so close.
You at least there, me inside Carl's house. She was fighting with me, just left me with the dog. The dog started chasing me. Big asshole. I went up because I thought you cannot chase two you followed up. Fuck. I closed the door, he hit the door. Fuck.
Yeah, I didn't forget all this good shit on your